Hi there, it's Professor Monty. We're talking about subtraction of polynomials. All right, so just like numbers, we can think of subtraction of polynomials as adding the opposite. Let me show you what I mean. So I've got these two polynomials I'm subtracting. So I start off with my 4x squared minus 8x plus 2, but I have minus this polynomial. Well, that's the same as adding the opposite. Well, what's the opposite of 3x squared? Oh, it's negative 3x squared. So I'm just going to write negative 3x squared. You could write plus negative 3x squared if you want to, but that often confuses people. The opposite of negative 7x is plus 7x, and the opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. Now, one thing my students like to do is think of this minus as a negative 1 and then distribute the negative 1. Oh, that becomes a negative 3x squared. That becomes a plus 7x. That becomes a plus 5. And that to them is easier than the opposite idea. It's just the idea of the distributive property. Okay, now I just combine like terms. So I've got the 4x squared minus the 3x squared. Those are like terms. The minus x and the plus 7x. And I've got the 2 and the plus 5. And I can combine like terms. Okay, if I have 4x squareds and I take away 3 of those x squareds, I still have 1x squared. The minus 8x plus the 7x, I still have minus 1x. And then the 2 plus the 5, of course, is 7. I usually don't put a coefficient of 1 here. If the coefficient is 1, we usually just write x squared minus, again, x plus 7. Those aren't like terms. That's as far as I can go. But that's the idea of subtraction of polynomials.